Alright, picture this. You're burning down the highway, sun setting behind you, but after an hour your back is screaming for mercy. If you've ever felt that, it's not just you, or your age. It's your seat, my friend. The stock seat on your bike? It's built to fit everyone, which means it's perfect for no one. That's where custom seats come in. Trust me, your back will thank you and your ride will look 10 times cooler. Let's break it down. First up, comfort. Long rides wreck you if your seat isn't up to par. A custom seat is all about support, better posture, shock absorption, and longer rides without the aches. You'll notice the difference the moment you hit the open road. But it's not just about how it feels. It's about how it looks. Custom seats let you pick your vibe: leather, suede, vinyl, even wild stuff like Stingray. Stitching, logos, embroidery, make your bike as unique as your road stories. It's a simple upgrade that makes your ride stand out at any meetup. There are seat styles for every bike and every rider. If you're rolling solo, that minimalist seat is pure attitude. Classic chopper look all day. Into cafe racers? Go for a slim retro seat that screams vintage cool. And if you love going the distance with a buddy, those plush 2-up touring seats are basically a couch on wheels. Now let's talk tech. We're not just stuffing old foam in there. Gel inserts, memory foam, tailored shaping, you name it. Some builders even measure you for a fit that's dialed in just for your body. It's like the difference between a cheap motel bed and your own at home. And those practical extras? Waterproofing, heated seats, hidden pockets, it's 2025, why not have it all? So, here's my final tip. Never underestimate your seat. It's not just where you sit. It's where every mile begins. Now I want to know, are you a solo seat rebel or do you want that plush touring throne? Drop your answer in the comments, hit like, and subscribe if you're all about making your ride truly yours. Catch you on the next ride.